August 2018. It was quiet. A little too quiet. I'd consistently been receiving leads from a trusted network of agents, but I hadn't heard from them in a while. Sure, it was summer. Sure, people were at the beach. And yeah, a few might have unsubscribed from my email list. But there was something else bothering me besides the lack of referrals. It was knowing that there was someone out there who needed my help, who needed my real estate services, and that my knowledge and abilities weren't getting to them. I decided to send out a mass email to the referral network, even though I'd already sent one earlier that month. Subject line, do it for them, not for me. I'd weather this dry spell. I always have been a survivor. But the lonely client out there, what would they do? Who would they turn to? Who would help them find a house in the DC area? I hit send. I locked up the office and I went home to my family. Call it optimistic, but I was sure there would be a referral waiting for me when I got back in the next day. There had to be.